In this video I'll show you how to add or edit class links on your management accounts. So we'll start by going to the analytics option and then the data option. So to add or edit class links, you go to the add or edit class link option. It will display a screen with all your accounts, account with the account number, and next to it a class code and a class name as it's currently linked. If you haven't linked any classes, this section will be blank. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can navigate to the other pages if there's more than one page of accounts, and then there's also some text just explaining how the classes and the links of these classes to your accounts, how that actually works. So wildcard characters can be used where the plus indicates anything after a certain character and the underscore is a replacement character which you'll replace, which can be any character. So there's a few examples here at the bottom. I'm just going to show you one example, just how to use this feature. So if you enter, let's say I plus and click apply, then that will basically select all your account numbers which start with the I indicating an income statement type account. Then on the right hand side you can select a class which should be assigned to all of these accounts. I'm just going to use operating expenses here. I'm not going to actually do anything, but you select the appropriate class there, and if you then click update, then all of these accounts that are listed here will be linked to that selected class. So if the accounts contain classes already, it will replace those classes with the one that you've selected here. So in this example you wouldn't want to do that because I've already linked all the accounts to the appropriate classes, but as you can see, you can easily select multiple accounts and link them to a class in one very quick action. Okay, and that's basically it. Click the data menu item to return to the data options, and then you can select any of the other features.